Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at Astra, which is a first of its kind wellness app linked to the blockchain. They're going to be using NFTs in order to fund the creation of the app, and you can get involved in the NFT project, which is launching extremely soon. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping across to the Astra website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. So what's it all about? A decentralized blockchain-based mobile wellness solution, building an app around meditation with NFTs to reward holders and initial contributors. By buying the NFT, you're helping to fund the project and you'll be rewarded with a passive income after launch, which is something that's potentially very exciting. Obviously, meditation wellness has become more and more prevalent, especially after COVID and a lot of stress and things that have arisen from that situation. More and more people are discovering meditation as a way to keep themselves calm and happy. You can see the app is available already in the App Store and the Google Play Store. So by coming across the website, you're going to be able to access them. So the Astra NFTs, which are these kind of like alien type NFTs on the right hand side, they're going to be launching 5,000 of these NFTs, and each of these NFTs will come with different properties, and the holder of each NFT will be able to earn a passive income. So let's find out about how that might be possible. Coming down below, we can see the NFT properties. The revenue from the subscriptions will be around $100,000. So basically the NFT project will be enabling the app, etc., to get off the ground, pay for marketing, etc. And by holding on to the NFTs, once the app is then up and running and successful, then you're going to start to earn an income back from that. So it's like buying a portion of a new company, effectively in the form of an NFT. And here you can see that this is the different way in which they anticipate seeing their revenue. But this is quite a cool concept. Selling basically a stake in a new company as an NFT is kind of something I haven't really seen before, and actually something that's given me a few ideas of my own. Coming down below, you can see the roadmap. Started just very recently in September. Build the Discord server and increase its size. Generate the art. October. Start minting on Magic Eden, which is a Solana based NFT platform or launch platform where you can go to buy NFTs. Cool thing about using Solana, super cheap, super fast, transactions, no gas fees to worry about, or very, very little gas fees at least. From November, they'll use the funds to then start building and developing the app, and then into December, they'll update the version of the app and distribute the first rewards of the NFT holders. This is very cool. So, potentially within just a few months, you could be starting to see returns from your initial investment on the NFT. So the meditation app basically works by people being able to upload their guided meditations and other things like that to the app. And if people are using your guided meditation, etc., then you'll look to benefit from that. And right now, the versions that are available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store are just beta versions of the app, but they're looking to obviously improve the app as they move further down the line. They're looking at launching the NFT in and around early November at a cost of around $100 per NFT. Remember, they're hoping to make about $100,000 for the app over a period of time. Then you're likely to see most of that investment coming back. Since the money raised from the NFTs will be paying for all of the costs, etc., you should start seeing some of the returns very quickly from the earnings of the app. And some of these apps, if they are correctly marketed and a good idea, they can see some potentially massive returns, and you could get your slice of the action. And at $5,000, you're looking at like 0.02% of all earnings, which, if the project goes and generates millions and millions of dollars, then you are looking to be in a fantastic position going forward. So in summary, this is a blockchain-based meditation app that's owned by the community, or a decentralized app. This is basically a way of raising funding, etc., to be able to create the marketing and grow the app from the ground up. A very unique way of delivering a new app into the marketplace with its own agenda. Meditation obviously becoming more and more prevalent, and more people are interested in getting hold of things like meditation apps. You can see here here the beta version available in the Google Play Store. If you want to go and check this out, guys, all of it is linked down below in the description, so make sure you come across in order to get started. You can go and join the Discord, and you can go and join on Twitter to see all of their updates and things as it happens. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for doing that. It really helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about this particular NFT project, Web3, crypto, and much more, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.